The bridge is popular around Newcastle. Very modern looking building. Obviously it's like 331 rooms, so it is a bigger property. We do offer a variety of room types, so whether you just want a single occupancy studio or an ensuite, we've got 3 types of studios, 3 types of ensuites, so there's a range of options that you can choose from, so 9 times out of 10 we're going to have the perfect room for you. The facilities in the building, we've got obviously a very large reception area. We've also got a spacious study room, cinema room, and obviously a laundry station as well inside the building. And because it's such a big area, there's always someone down here, whether they're playing pool or just sitting down, reading a book, anything that they're doing. There's always a chance to meet other people, whether they're doing their laundry as well or just chilling out in the reception. So it's better for socialising if they meet new people and things from the building.
A lot of other accommodations don't have the open reception, which means you've got to take a detour from wherever you're going to greet someone, to get your parcel, just to ask something. And so that means a lot of people, if they have a little query or a question, they won't ask it because they're not going to go out of their way to do that. And so because we have that open reception, it just builds that conversation throughout the year that you live here.
So far it's been brilliant. I think I'm in a really good place, like literally a good place. It's more like a hotel than it is accommodation. I like it. It feels secure. I think the building itself helps a lot because it promotes socialising. Like you come through the lobby with these people there, and the people who live here are quite tight, and it's nice to have somewhere to relax without having to go out. It's nice to do it at home, so to speak.
If they're coming through and even if they're wanting just a parcel or they're just wanting something small from you, it's good to keep up the communication with them, just check up on them, see if they're all right.
A lot of the time you might come past reception and find that the receptionist is sitting on their own for their shift, and so that's an opportunity for you. You might have just come back from a really difficult day at uni and you just want to talk to someone, and so that is what we're here for. It seems silly, like we're behind the desk doing an office job, but we're not. We're literally there for the students, and so I think if anyone would want an opportunity to talk about anything, that is what I am there for.
The staff here are brilliant. I think especially from a security point of view, it's really nice. It feels safe here. I've never seen the front desk empty, ever, regardless of what time of day it is. I think security will wander around or go to bump into me on the left a few times. It's nice knowing there's always someone here to help me. I haven't needed it, but it's nice to know there's someone here if I do need it. Yeah, it's reassuring. The most exciting thing about going to a new city for me is I'm from a small town, so it's massive. It's so vibrant, there's so many different places, there's a pub for everyone, there's a bar for everyone, and I feel like I'm part of a crowd rather than part of something really small. But again, I don't feel lost. It's a nice balance, it's not too big, not too small, it's perfect.
Most of all, I'm proud of making the students feel at ease and just knowing that we're always there on hand for anything that they need to speak to about. And I just think it's a nice, proud feeling knowing that they feel comfortable to come down and speak to me about anything at all.